Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Market Insight. Today we have the privilege of having the Managing Director of one of the leading stockbroker companies in the country, Mr. Tushan Wickramasinghe. Tushan is the CEO, Chairman of the Capital Trust Group. Tushan is also the Managing Director of Capital Trust Securities. Tushan, welcome to Market Insight.
Thank you for inviting me.
The recent digitalization process that has been taking place, it was a resounding success. And how do you think this initiative has changed the dynamics for the Colombo Stock Exchange?
Actually, it's a sad thing. This digitalization should have happened way back in 1998. But it happened after 25 years. And I have been a person who has been lobbying with the stock exchange, saying, a simple thing like make it mandatory that a stockbroking firm sends an email with the contract notes, and in turn the investor should give an email address. And that is how it was shown to us when we went to India in 2008, where there were small internet kiosks outside stockbroking firms where the prospective investor first comes and opens an internet account, and then they goes to the broking firm and opens an internet trading account. However, there were certain mysterious reasons, and I sometimes feel certain people did not want retail trading to go off. Some people wanted client complaints to cultivate, and there were certain political reasons why digitalization did not happen for 25 years. But however, correctly, this time the SEC commissioners decided not to open the stock market when majority of the local individuals can't trade without everything set up, without contract notes being digitalized, without broking firms being ready to transfer funds, and they set up a joint committee of the SEC and the stock exchange, and that committee very correctly, speedily took the necessary steps. So now if you see the advantages, earlier the whole system was inefficient. The clients had to wait for a contract note to come by post or to be delivered. Then the broking firm in turn got hampered because the client could always turn around and say, I did not get the contract note, and delay his payment. And the best part is when a particular government came, they even went to the extent of looking at transactions 6 years before, and the client comes and says, I never got contract notes. And how do you prove that a contract note was sent? You can't prove it. You'll have to interview the postman. I mean, it was a simple thing. Then the rule was that you may send contract notes by email. Then everyone takes that loophole and purposely does not give an email address. So what happened is this set of commissioners correctly came and said, you have to give an email address so that the broking firm can send the contract notes by email, and end of the month the CDS, being an independent party, can send the CDS statement. Then secondly, the clients are expected to give the mobile number. So when you give the mobile number to the CDS through Form 28 or through eConnect, then what happens is you get a SMS. Then the client is secure that he knows exactly what happened in the CDS account, and the broking firm is secured. They can't get a complaint after 6 years saying, I didn't know what happened in the broking, in my CDS account. Then the next point is, even if there is lockdowns, life has to go on. So now what has happened is, it has been the Securities Exchange Commission has requested to give their bank account numbers to the CDS. So therefore, dividends automatically go to the respective person, and accounts are 100% accurate. And further, because the bank details are given, the broking firms on settlement date, within half an hour they can transfer the money, and the clients in turn can transfer the money back. So things are absolutely efficient now. Now the next phase is where after now already with the CSE app, you can open accounts through the app, and there is a resounding success in it. More than 90% of the accounts now happen through the CSE app. The next phase is where the diaspora in foreign countries can open accounts through the app, and then also they are going to facilitate local companies to open through the app. Then there is a new feature which is coming out this week, which is eConnect, where the clients can go to the app and change their details as and when they want. So it's such simple things which have not happened for 25 years, and immediately you can see the market is going to the provinces, and it is fast becoming a proper market. A proper market means where there is, according to the economic books, where there is millions of buyers and sellers, right? And then there is proper price discovery. No one can manipulate. That is, we are heading towards that. Earlier we did not have a market. It was just a set of people just doing passing the parcel.